Dear brothers and sisters, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year pa rin po sa inyong lahat. Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon. As I've said at the beginning of our Holy Eucharist, we celebrate today the solemnity of the Epiphany of the Lord. The Lord appearing to the nations, most especially through the story of the wise men who offered their gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. At sabi ko nga po, patuloy pa rin naming paalaala na panahon pa rin po ng Kapaskuhan, no? Kaya huwag kayong mahihiyang mamasko sa inyong mga magulang at mga ninong at ninang, no? Pasko pa rin ngayon at magdiwang pa rin tayo ng Kapaskuhan ngayong mga panahon na ito. And as it is a celebration of Epiphany, of the Lord appearing, manifesting to the nations, we have also heard a while ago, I proclaimed to you the date of Easter and the other movable feasts of the church. Once more, letting you see, letting God be appeared through these celebrations that we will be embracing as we go through this holy year. When we celebrate the solemnity of the Epiphany, my dear brothers and sisters, we can point out many icons or many figures that goes with the story. Siyempre ho, dahil nga ito ay kapistahan ng pagpapakita ng Panginoon sa lahat ng mga bansa, siyempre nandiyan siya na nagpakita bilang isang bata, as a child. And when we celebrate also this feast day, we also encountered and heard a while ago the story of the Magi, the wise men who saw the star, and later on another symbol gave the child the gift of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. But definitely, let us not forget this powerful symbol when we celebrate Epiphany Sunday. The star that these wise men saw. The star that, as St. Matthew recounted in his gospel, that preceded them, that journeyed with them until they reached the house where Jesus was. Tinatawag ng bituing natatangi. But you know, my dear brothers and sisters, when we wish to go through the story of the Magi in today's gospel, it was not only a special or unique star that they saw as astrologers or as wise men. Dahil nga kakaiba siya sa mga bituing na nakita nila. But you know, more than a unique star, the star served as a message of encouragement, as a message of rising up once more, as a message of continuing the journey once more. Dahil nung nakita po nila na may nagniningning na magandang bituin, tumayo sila. Sinabi nila, "Where is the newborn King of the Jews? We saw his star at its rising and have come to do him homage." Tumayo sila para makita si Jesus, para sambahin si Jesus, para makilala na ito na nga yung pangakong Mesiyas sa amin. They rose up. It was a message of encouragement. Go and meet me. Go and see that I am shining so that you can also proceed with your life. And this was the message as well of our first reading from the book of the prophet Isaiah. He was signaling encouragement, he was signaling inspiration to Jerusalem. Rise up in splendor, Jerusalem. Your light has come. The glory of the Lord shines upon you. Hindi lang ito simbolo para masabing narito na si Jesus. Oo, ito din po ay naging simbolo para sa kanilang tumayo at para makita ang Panginoong nagpapakita sa kanila. And St. Paul goes with the same message in today's second reading, that the mystery was made known by revelation. And when God appeared through revelation, people came to know about Him. Tumayo muli sila. Sila ay nabigyan ng lakas ng loob para makita sino nga ba itong misteryo, sino nga ba itong bagong taong ito sa aming buhay. 2000, a certain boy band named Coldplay wrote a song entitled Yellow. Maybe after the Mass, no? You can go and search for the song. Siguro po sa mga kabataan dito na alam ninyo yan. Napakaganda ng kantang iyon. And I was lucky enough to see the background why was the song written. And the song or the history, the story of the song is so simple. They were just under the sky writing the song, under the stars. And as they were writing the song, they know perhaps that these stars were but messages of encouragement, of hope, and strength to the members of Coldplay. Kaya po nagkaroon ito ng lyrics na, look at the stars, look up how they shine for you, and all the things that you do. I've been reading as well in social media na ang January 4 daw po, this last day of vacation, ay hanggang last week of January. Dahil bukas magsusuot na naman kami ng uniforme, bukas papasok na naman kami sa eskwelahan, bukas makikita ko na naman itong taong to na nagpahirap ng buhay ko, pinagulo yung mga desisyon ko. It's a new year once more. At natatakot na akong mabigo, natatakot na akong bumagsak, ayoko nang bumangon, ayoko nang magpatuloy. Isang panibagong taon na naman, isang panibagong mga araw na naman, nakakatakot na o ayoko nang magpatuloy muli sa buhay ko bilang isang tao at bilang isang mananampalataya. And if the Magi would like to remind us and would like to sing a song for us, they would sing Coldplay's Yellow and would tell you, look up the star, look at the star. Look at how this star shines for you and all of the things that you do. The star rises or shines wherever we are. The star wishes to say to you and to me, to all of us, go forward, padayon, tayo lang tayo, patuloy tayo sa buhay na ito. Sana po makita rin pa rin natin na ang bituing natatanging ito ay nagniningning sa mga bahay ho natin para makita din natin doon na si Jesus. Sana po makita rin natin yung bituing nagniningning sa mga lugar kung saan ho tayo nagpapabuti, nagtatrabaho, at papabuti ng ating mga sariling mga kamay. Sana po makita din po ng mga kabataan, ng mga tao ang bituing nagniningning sa kanilang mga paaralan para doon din nila makita si Jesus. And I hope we will see that star shining for you and for everything that you do. Sana ho, ayun din yung mabuo ho nating mga lugar kung saan yung liwanag na bituing natatangi ay makita din ng mga tao na sa pagkakaibigan, Mas gugustuhin nilang makita ito dahil nagniningning ang ilaw. Sa mga pamilya at sa mga grupong binubuo natin, makita din nila na may bituing nagniningning para din na sila ay maakit at makita. And also as a family of a church, as a Manila Cathedral family, may we also say that the star shines always in this place so that people may come and worship Jesus and love Jesus once more. The Magi would like to sing a song for us. Look at the star. Look up how it shines for you and all of the things that you do. The star will continue to shine wherever we are because the Lord is there, ready to meet you. The Lord is there, ready to change your ways. The Lord is there to help you rise up, to help you move forward, and help you to continue journeying this life with His presence in our hearts.